Okay, so maybe you watched some of my other videos on how to rank higher in Google Maps, and you're ready to get your business to the top because you know that that's going to mean more customers for you. And in this video, different than a screen share, I'm just going to break down straightforward, step by step, exactly what you should do in a 10-step process to get yourself to the top of Google Maps. Now, check out my other videos for the screen share and tutorials on how to do these things, but I'm just going to share simple and easy so you can watch this video and take notes. Here's step 1, here's step 2, here's step 3, and this is going to get me to rank higher in Google Maps. Simple and easy, step by step. Let's break it down for you. Okay, first up, if you have not claimed and completed your Google Business Profile, that's the first step. That's going to give you all the visibility. That's the thing that actually ranks is your Google Business Profile in Google Maps. Step 1, claim it, fill it out completely. Again, check out my videos on how to add keywords to it and improve it, but that's the first step. Do that. Step 2, post content. So Google rewards active businesses. Post your events, post your specials, link back to your blogs and post them to your Google Business Profile. Post general business updates. It's going to create more engagement around your profile, which is going to create more positive signals. We can argue about whether it is a exact ranking factor or an influencer of ranking factors. You don't care about that. I don't care about that. All I'm going to tell you to do is get active with your Google Business Profile. It's going to equal good things and link back to your website. Next up, optimize your website. So for those of us keeping track, this is number 3. Optimize your website for local searches. What does that mean? If you want to rank well, you have to make sure that your website is optimized for your local audience. That means your website needs to be properly structured so it's easy for Google to crawl. Ask a web developer if you're not sure. Make sure Google can index your website. Just type search, and then your website address to see if Google's indexed your website. And then have local-oriented, intent-driven keywords. What do those fancy words mean? They just mean say what you do and where you do it a lot on your website. That's all. And make it relevant. Don't keyword stuff. Just be like, I do this in this town. This is what I offer. That's going to help make people who are searching be led to your website because you're saying exactly what they're looking for. Number 4, here's another fancy thing that you don't care about, I don't care about, but it's important. Use local business schema. That's it. Just remember that. And have somebody who's technical put local schema on your website. That's it. Just do that. 5, embed the Google map on your contact us page. I don't even know if this really matters. Some people say it matters. It's not far-fetched to assume that Google likes this, and it's not going to hurt anybody at all doing this. It might just make it easier for your customer to get driving directions for you. So just do it. Next up, step 6. This is where the rubber meets the road, and I know this one matters, and it matters big time. Any business can create a GBP listing, right? Where you set yourself apart is with customer reviews, and Google loves customer reviews. So what you need to do is you need to both pay close attention to how many reviews your business gets and how active you are in responding to those reviews, because that's what Google cares about. Get lots of 5-star reviews, respond to them. That's what Google cares about. Do that in step 6. Do that a lot and do it forever. Step 7, go to one of the tools I'm going to link to below, either Bright Local or go to Whitespark. I'll put the links both below, and go make sure that your name, address, phone number, and website are updated in all the local business directories. Go do that now. Go click on the link right now and go do that. Just pay them. It's super cheap to do. It's worth it. It lists your business accurately in all the local directories, which then means Google's like, oh, I know and trust this business. Let me bring them up more and give them more customers. Go do it right now. Number 8, start talking to other local businesses and build local backlinks. That just means other local businesses can validate your business because they link to you. That's going to make Google be like, oh, I guess this is a legitimate business because other local businesses, other like Chamber of Commerce sites, other things like that, other local websites link to this business website. So it must be legit. That's one of the best signals you can give. Do not buy backlinks. That's going to hurt your business. Don't do any type of weird stuff with getting backlinks. Just actually ask, hey, do you mind posting like community partners and linking to my business on your website? Just something legit like that. And then you get a backlink. That is going to help your business show up in search results because Google's going to see that people legitimately link to you. Or offer to write a blog for another business and write the blog, give it to them, and put a backlink in your blog back to your business. Step 9, engage with your community, right? Pay attention. Google businesses noted to be engaged in their local service organizations, so charities, sports groups, sponsoring local events, partnering with other prominent local businesses, are naturally part of a thriving community. So engagement can include publishing or promoting linked content, event announcements, partner pages tied to these partner organizations, of course, physically engaging and perhaps getting mentioned, linked in local news stories or other publications. You want to be active in your community. That's going to show up online. Google's going to love that, and it's going to help your business. Next up, pay attention to the search results and to your long tails. So what does that mean? Hey, just keep adding content to your website, like blogs and pages that take advantage of adding these like longer terms to your website. So like, instead of just auto body shop, right? Auto body shop near me, or best auto body shop in Barrie, or affordable auto body shop work, right? These long terms. Try to rank for those things because lots of people search those longer terms. Make sure that your business comes up for that. How do you make sure your business comes up for that? You have blog articles and pages on your business website that talk about these things and say that you do these things or offer these things. These are called the long tail. Just means the longer things people search. It's going to help your business rank. So that's it. That's the next 10 steps you should take. And here's step 11. Hit that like and subscribe so that you always see these great tips and exactly what to do to help your local business grow and thrive, get you customers, and succeed this generation and into the next. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you in the next video, and don't leave yet because you also need to succeed on social media and you need to understand these new AI tools and how they're affecting your business. We'll catch you in the next video.